In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vimeo. Let's start by heading to Vimeo in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a clean, minimal interface designed to keep the focus on video. Vimeo is known for high-quality playback and an ad-free viewing experience, which makes it a favorite for creatives and brands who want their content to look and sound its best. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main toolbar. This is your hub for navigating Vimeo. First up is Watch. Click Watch when you want to explore and enjoy videos. Here, you'll find curated collections, trending work, and staff picks. When you open a video, you'll get straightforward controls for play, pause, volume, captions when available, and quality settings so you can optimize playback based on your connection. It's a great way to get inspired and see what's possible on the platform. Next, head to your home section, which highlights quick actions and shortcuts. From here, you can upload, import, create, record, or host. Upload lets you add a video file directly from your computer, maintaining high-resolution quality. Import is useful if your footage lives in connected services, so you can bring it into Vimeo without downloading it locally first. Create takes you into Vimeo's built-in tools for assembling clips, adding simple edits, or using templates to get a polished result fast. Record allows you to capture your screen, your camera, or both, which is perfect for product demos, tutorials, or quick updates. Host refers to setting up your videos for reliable playback and sharing, with options to control viewing, embed on websites, and present content professionally. Think of Home as your command center for making and managing content. When you want to review what you've added, open Library. This is where your uploaded and managed videos live. You can scan your list at a glance, open any video to view its details, and keep your work organized. Clear titles and descriptions make it easier to find what you need later, and consistent naming helps when you're working across multiple projects. That's it. You've gone to Vimeo, learned what it's best at, explored the watch section for viewing, used the home section for quick creation and hosting actions, and visited your library to see everything you've uploaded. With this foundation, you're ready to confidently watch, upload, create, record, and host your videos on Vimeo. Done.